The ability of the coolant to protect the engine against freezing can be tested with a hydrometer. A hydrometer measures the specific gravity of the coolant. Because the coolant is heavier than water, the force of gravity on coolant is greater than on water alone. Most coolant hydrometers use a series of balls in a glass tube. The specific gravity of the coolant is indicated by the number of balls that are supported by the weight of the coolant. Water by itself is an excellent heat conductor, but using water exclusively in a cooling system can cause rust and corrosion from the acidity in the water interacting with the metals that are used in the engine and radiator. Glycol-based coolants contain corrosion inhibitors that neutralize the acids in the system to reduce the chances of internal corrosion. Glycol-based coolants have excellent resistance to freezing when mixed with water. The glycol-based coolants lower the specific gravity of the water to lower the freezing point. Glycol-based coolants are, by their nature, inherently unstable when used alone. Glycol-based fluids must be mixed with water in specific percentages to gain the benefits of increased heat transfer capability and reduced freezing points. For ethylene glycol mixtures, the normal coolant mixture is 50% coolant, mixed with 50% water. The water stabilizes the ethylene glycol coolant. For long-life coolants, most manufacturers recommend a mixture of 40% coolant mixed with 60% water. Acidity is measured in pH, with a pH of 7.0 being neutral. Many manufacturers recommend soft water, which has a pH greater than 7.0, for use when refilling a cooling system. Where used, the pressure relief valve of a radiator cap can be tested using a cooling system pressure tester. The pressure tester kit includes an adapter to connect the pressure pump to the radiator cap. Install the adapter on the pressure pump. Then install the radiator cap on the adapter. Use the pump to pressurize the cap. The radiator cap pressure relief should open at the stated rate, usually around 15 psi. If the relief valve in the cap opens sooner than the specification, the cap should be replaced, as the lower pressure could cause the coolant to boil prematurely. If the valve does not open or opens over the specified limit, the cap should be replaced. Excessive system pressure can cause damage to the radiator or hoses, or cause leaks around the clamps that secure the cooling system hoses.